Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In our last video, we talked a little bit about how to conceive and things you need to do and those things you shouldn't be believing. Today we're going to talk about the sperm count. So this is it. The men are now on the hot seat. Why does low sperm count affect you conceiving? This is a deep question. Yes, I must say that men and women contribute equally so far on the average to inability to conceive. That is, you not being able to get pregnant. And it's about 30% each. So, pretty much the same for both partners. But what is that level of sperm count that you would consider as low? Yes, we have a criteria by our practice that would say if you have this certain amount of sperm cells, you should, by the way, should be in millions, about over 15 million sperm cells based on your laboratory, findings and all, and some other subtle criteria. But the truth is this. Some men actually have poor sperm value in terms of count, morphology, the way the sperm looks, and other things, how they move in terms of motility. And their wife gets pregnant. In fact, they have a lot of kids, but they never checked, so they didn't know. But men that quickly recognize these things are those who their wives have been trying to conceive, and then you get to the hospital and realize there is a problem with your sperm levels. The beautiful thing about sperm cells is that it's regenerated every 75 to 90 days. So let's say on the average, every 3 months, a man gets new sperm cells, which is different from the woman who is born. Women are born with all the eggs they will ever have. So you have to keep them safe, right? Okay, but for men, it's a bit different. So there are a lot of things that can contribute to it being low. Either you have untreated infections that you've had in the past and you didn't use antibiotics, or you didn't use it properly or not long enough, or you have other behaviors in terms of you smoke a lot, you take a lot of alcohol. All of these things can affect your overall sperm count over time. There are also some men who are born with certain defects that has contributed to them having low sperm count, or they had surgeries when they were little and these surgeries actually affected their ability to have adequate sperms or even any sperms at all. Also, there are some conditions where you would like varicocele, like they say bag of worms. Some people have varicocele and they have normal sperm count. Some have varicocele and they do not have normal sperm count. So you have to check with your doctor and see if that's what is affecting your sperm levels. And sometimes when it's treated, it corrects. Sometimes it remains the same. Sometimes it gets worse. So you can't really say, oh, this is why this is so. But what is important is for you to go in to see your doctor, get evaluated, know what exactly has contributed to the low sperm count. In some instances, giving medications, giving some supplements can actually improve the overall sperm count. While in other clams, you may have to go on to have donor sperm if there's no sperm count at all and you've done all that you should do in terms of medical treatment and it doesn't work. Other times, there are assisted reproductive technique, like if the sperm count is at a particular level, you may qualify for a procedure called intrauterine insemination, where your husband's sperm, your partner's sperm is collected, washed, and so you're only having the concentrated live sperms injected into the partner, the female partner, to get pregnant. Another way is IVF, that is in vitro fertilization, where the sperms are collected, washed, and one sperm is put into one egg to form an embryo. With that, if you have 5 eggs from the partner, you just need 5 sperm cells, and mind you, sperms are produced in millions. So trust me, there's so many things for you to do about low sperm count. The first thing is you have to find out, is my sperm count really low? Now, I'll stop here today. If you want to know more about your sexual health and ways to conceive and all, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on your notification buttons, and click like whenever you like what we our content, and also send us comments and other topics you want us to talk about. So then, see you later. Bye.